girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
He's got the rap patrol on the Gap Patrol. Foes who wanna make sure his casket's closed. Rap critics who say his money cash holes. He's from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with hoes and your zapper told you, be celebrating the minute you was having dough. So fuck critics, kiss our whole asshole. You don't like the lyrics, you can press fast forward. The radio, if we don't play their show, they don't play our hits, we don't give a shit. So all these fags trying to use our ass, so advertisers can give them more cash for ads. Fuckers, I don't know what you take us as, or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. From rags to riches, we ain't done. We got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. 99 problems with a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems with a bitch ain't one.
Year's 94 and my trunk is raw. In the rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. Got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't tryna see no how he chase me, Jake. Plus I got a few dollars, I can fight the cake. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard,
son, do you know what I'm stopping you for?
Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's still low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest and shit? I guess some more.
Well, you was doing 55 and a 54. License and registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, know a lot of you are.
I ain't stepping out of shit, all my paper legit.
Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit?
Well, my glove compartment is locked, so it's the trunk in the back. And I know my rights, so you gon' need a warrant for that.
Aren't you sharp as a tack? You some type of law or somebody important or something?
I ain't past the bar, but I know a little bit enough that you wanna legally search my shit.
Well, we'll see how smart you are when the canines come.
I got 99 pounds, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 pounds, but a bitch ain't one. If you have a girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 pounds, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 pounds, but a bitch ain't one. If you have a girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. And once upon a time, not too long ago, a nigga like myself had a strong heart. This is not a hoe with a sense of having a pussy, but a pussy having a goddamn sense of trying to push me. I try to ignore him, talk to the Lord, pray for him, but some hoes just not to perform. You know the type, balance a motorbike, but wouldn't bust a grape in a fruit fight. And only thing that's gonna happen is I'ma get the clapping in. He and his boys gonna be yapping to the captain, and then I go trapped in the Kit Kat again. Back through the system with the riff-raff again. Things on the floor, scratching again. Paparazzis with their cameras, snapping them. He ain't trying to give a nigga shaft again. At the mill for bail cause I'm African. Only cause the fool was harassing them. Trying to play the boy like he's saccharine. But ain't nothing sweet, but I hold my gun. I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one.